Hello, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been well this week. Today I want to show you these pen holders for your junk journals. Let's see if I have, yeah, I got them here. These will fit most normal pens, like these. And then you can either glue them on your front page, or you can use paper clips like I have here. These are probably a bit too small, but it can be done. I have tried it. So if you use paper clips, you can change them from journal to journal. When you finish one, you can put it on the next one. So that's always handy. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm using my Christmas cards, and I've already made the base because it's very simple. This one is 6 inches high and 2 wide. Here I've just used the book page and inked around the edges, around the corners. And the top is 4 inches high here. Let's see. Yeah, it's big enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll just cut this. I'll save that little bit. And 3 1/4 inches. I'll do that down here so I can take the quarter. 3 1/4 wide. Ooh, I just made that. 1, 2, 3 1/4. See if I can make that as straight as possible. There we go. So that'll go on top. And I've got a book page here that I'll put it on. I'll just use this glue. I'm not using glue stick because that tends to warp the paper, so I don't think that's a very good thing. If you're putting it on the front page, it needs to be quite straight. And I know this glue isn't going to warp the paper, so that's really nice. And then just as close to the edges and corners as possible. Oops, I was gonna use that one for the front. There we go. Just press that down. And I'm just gonna rip that off, if I can see. Yeah. There we go. last one. Let's save these for later. I'm not going to round the corners here because obviously these are going to be on the back, so that doesn't matter, but I will make these. No, I think I'll score first. Because I am scoring at, if I find my score tool here, 1/2 inch on each side. There we go. And a 1/2 inch there. So that's gonna go to the back, and then I will make a notch. You don't have to, but I just think it looks nice. Sort of in the middle. There we go. And I'll ink them. Don't be silly. I'm just using, I've got these mini ink pads. Of course I don't need to do it there. What am I thinking? My head isn't right today, I don't know why. I could do it there. And there. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm just using these ink pads as they are. I do have a, what's it called, blending brush, just makeup brushes, I guess it is. I have a quick tip for you. If I can find my, yes, it's here. If you have piece of silicone mat or something like this, silicone, put your ink on the mat and it'll stay. So it's not gonna, you see, it's just moving around. If you put it here, it'll stay and you can ink. That's much easier. Like that. Just a little handy tip for you. Get it for free today. There we go. And that's the top. Now, this can be a bit fiddly because obviously this needs to be domed, so I'll just shape it a little bit before I glue it on. Like this. In the middle. Doesn't have to be 100% perfect. And then just glue that on. And make sure the base is very neatly tucked in. And I'm using these because obviously when you try to put the other side on, it's not gonna work with you. So you need to be sure that it is very secure here and that the glue is dry. And I will try, because I'm not very patient. Oops, I was a bit out of focus there. I will try to do it. Fortunately, this glue dries very quick. Let's see if I can do it now. Just put this on and make sure it's nice and flush with the base. I'll put this on and then put one on the bottom. Make sure it's nice in there. And then one in the middle. I think it's safe to take this off. There we go. And that is it, basically. And then you just embellish. See if is it safe to take them off? I think it is. As I said, this glue dries really quick. Yeah, and then you can just embellish as you want. You can of course do that before you glue it down. Sometimes that's easier, but it is quite sturdy because you're using cardstock or old Christmas cards or whatever you have. But yeah, like this one, just put a little butterfly on and some beads and a couple of stamps. And this one, I just like the text of this. Some lace and packaging paper. You could even make a a small pocket here and put a small tag in, or yeah. I'm sure you know how to make your, what's it called, pen holder really pretty. That was it for me today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you will go and make some pen holders for your journals. They are really handy, and you've always got a pen when you need one. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next week. And bye from me. See you later.